Hello class, today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020, and the quote is, I'm empathic when I talk with my classmates. And today we're going to learn numbers, okay? So, let's make a review. You already know the numbers from 1 to 10, so everybody repeat. 1, 2, 3, remember it's not 3, no, it's 3, okay? So everybody again repeat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to say the numbers again, but I'm not going to help you, okay? So tell me. Well done. Now, today we're going to learn numbers 11 to 20. So pay attention. The first one is 11. Everybody repeat after me. Repeat 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have to practice, okay? Now, everybody open your class in page 98. And you are going to write here on the top the short date, okay? Now we're going to listen to the audio. So everybody listen and point, okay? Pay attention.
Listening 134. Listen and point. 11,
11,
12, 13, 14,
14,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
20,
13, 15, 19, 12,
12,
18,
18,
11,
11,
17, 20,
20,
16, 14. Listen and repeat. 11, 12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20. Now you are going to listen to the song and you are going to follow with your finger. And then you are going to play it again and you are going to sing, ¿ok? Primero la vas a escuchar y la vas a leer y después la vas a volver a poner y ya la vas a cantar, ¿ok?
Listening 135. Listen and sing. There are 10 in the bed.
There are 10 in the bed, and the little one says, two more, two more, two more get in. one says, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more get in. 13, 14. There are 14 in the bed, and the little one says, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more get in. 15, 16. There are 16 in the bed, and the little one says, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more get in. 17, 18. There are 18 in the bed, and the little one says, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more get in. 19, 20, help!
Well done, class. Now close your class book and open your workbook in page 98. Okay, remember to write the short date here on the top and pay attention. Exercise number 1. You are going to join the dots from number 1 to 20, okay? You have to go in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, okay? In the correct order so that you can finish illustrating the bed. And then you are going to go to exercise number 2. You are going to find here the numbers, okay? And you are going to circle with different colors, okay? And then you are going to write the correct number on the box, in the box. Okay, now when you finish, close your workbook and you are going to go to your worksheet, okay? Here, pay attention. You are going to write the correct number in the box, okay? Here. And finally, it's going to be family time, okay? You are going to practice speaking, remember, okay? You are going to go to your bedroom and you are going to say, how many t-shirts do you have? How many socks? How many pairs of shoes? How many toys? And the point of this activity is to practice 2 things. First, the numbers from 1 to 20, and then the use of there's and there are. Vas a ir a tu recámara y vas a decir cuántas playeras tienes, cuántos calcetines, cuántos pares de zapatos, cuántos juguetes. La intención de esta actividad es que practiques los números del 1 al 20 y el uso de there's y there are, ¿ok? Esto lo vas a hacer con tu familia y que mamá y papá también lo intenten, ¿ok? And when you finish, remember to sing the goodbye song. Bye class, see you tomorrow.